Hey everyone! Welcome back to Slide Science, where we make science simple, fun, and a little bit crazy. Today, we are going on a super exciting journey inside your own body. Yes, we are going to follow a piece of food from the moment you eat it all the way to the final exit. So imagine this. You just took a big bite of your favorite pizza. Now the journey begins. First stop, the mouth. As soon as the food enters your mouth, your teeth jump into action like tiny crushers. Crunch, crunch, crunch. They break the food into smaller pieces. Meanwhile, saliva mixes with the food and starts digesting it. So basically, your mouth is like a mini food processing machine. Now, the food is ready to travel. Next stop, the esophagus. This is a long pipe that connects your mouth to your stomach. But wait, food doesn't just fall down. The esophagus pushes it using wave-like movements called peristalsis. It's like a food slide in a water park, smooth and automatic. And boom, the food reaches the stomach. Welcome to the mixing chamber. The stomach churns the food like a washing machine. It mixes it with gastric juices, strong chemicals that break down the food even more. At this point, your pizza is no longer pizza, it's turning into a semi-liquid mess. Yummy, or maybe not. But wait, the stomach doesn't work alone. Here comes the support team, the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. The liver is like a multitasking boss. It produces bile, which helps break down fats, and also removes toxins from your body. The gallbladder is like a storage tank. It stores the bile made by the liver and releases it when needed. And the pancreas. It's the enzyme factory. It produces special chemicals that help break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Now, the food moves to the most important part, the small intestine. This is where the real magic happens. Digestion gets completed here, and all the nutrients, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates are absorbed into the blood. Think of it like a supermarket checkout where all the useful items are collected. After that, whatever is left moves to the large intestine. Here, the body absorbs water and salts from the leftover material. What remains now becomes a soft mass called stool. Almost at the end. Next is the rectum. This acts like a temporary storage room for the stool. It holds it until your body is ready to release it. And finally, the last stop, the anus. This is the exit door where the waste leaves your body. And that's the end of our journey. So next time you eat something, just remember, your body is doing a full-on scientific process inside, step by step, without you even noticing. If you enjoyed this fun journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Slide Science for more amazing science videos. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep smiling.